Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making a jollof rice today, but I'm gonna be cooking my jollof rice with a fish today. So I'm gonna show you how to make a fish jollof rice, okay? So I'm gonna clean the fish right now, and after cleaning fish, and I'm gonna season the fish, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. All right? So let's start it. Okay, this is the ingredient I need. You need the onions, red pepper, green pepper, carrot, and this is cabbage, and this is eggplant, and this is I don't know the name of this in English, I'm sorry about that. And this is onions, and this is the leaf of the onions, okay? And this is garlic too. I got my garlic right here. I need one more garlic of this, okay? So you need at least 2 of it, okay? So I need more onions. These 2 onions is not enough. I need like 6 onions at least, because I'm gonna be cooking a lot, okay? So those are the ingredients you need to cook jollof rice. Onions, onions leaf, red pepper, green pepper, carrot, and garlic, eggplant, and this I don't know the name of it, and this is cabbage, and this is my fish. I already cleaned my fish. The fish is clean already, and I need a tomato paste. This is tomato paste, and this is my chicken season, and my magic season, and my salt and pepper garlic season, and my black pepper. This is the black pepper, okay? So those are the ingredients you need to cook jollof rice, okay? So let's start it. Okay, I already cut the onions and the pepper and the garlic. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start blending those stuff right now, okay? So this is my blender. So I'm gonna put all those and blend them, okay? You need to blend the whole thing. I just put them separate to just show you guys what to do. You see, you're gonna put them together like this and blend them, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys after finish blending there. See? And this is the garlic and the rest of the stuff. So I'm gonna blend everything, okay? So just wanna show you guys there. Okay, I'm finished. I already finished blending the green pepper and the onions and those stuff I show you, but you would not blend it too much. You see the texture, like the way it look like right now, that's what I want. So this is the rest of it, and I have a garlic and some onions leaf and some onions, okay? So I'm gonna add some those seasoning to it. This is mustard. You're gonna add some mustard to it, and magic season, and the black pepper, and this is garlic pepper, black pepper, and the chicken season, okay? So I'm gonna add all those to this, and I'm gonna blend them separate. I'm gonna put some cooking oil to it too. This is different sauce I'm making right now. This is the different sauce I'm making. This sauce I'm making, I'm doing this for the fish. This is the cooking oil. So you're gonna take some cooking oil, and put some cooking oil like this, okay? You're not adding no water to it, okay? So I'm gonna add the mustards and the stuff to it, and after I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, I already add the season to it, the mustards and everything. So I'm gonna blend them right now, okay? Okay, I'm finished blending everything together, and you're gonna try if it tastes good, because you're gonna put this marinate the fish with it. So I'm marinating the fish with this sauce right now, okay? So I'm gonna take just a tiny bit like this and try if it's nice and salty, like the way I want it. So it's nice and salty like the way I want. I'm gonna pour this on the fish and marinate the fish with it, okay? That's all I'm doing right now, and I'm gonna cut the fish. And this is the other sauce. This is the cabbage. I already washed the cabbage and cut it in pieces. And this is the eggplant. I already peeled the eggplant and removed the dark skin on it. And this is the the how you call it, I don't know the name of this in English. I showed you guys before at the beginning, and I removed all the skin of it and cut in pieces too. Okay, that's all I'm doing right now. This is the sauce, and I'm gonna start pouring the sauce on the fish. Okay, and marinate the fish. Okay, it's time to pour the season to the fish. See, you're gonna marinate the fish very well, because what you're gonna do, this fish you're gonna fry the fish, so you need to marinate the fish very well, because cooking, that's one secret about cooking. The fish you're cooking or the meat you're cooking, you need to make sure you well season your meat, because you don't well season your meat, your food will not taste right like the way you want. I always tell you guys that. That's one big secret about cooking. So this sauce I'm pouring right now, this season is well seasoned, and I'm gonna mix it and try it and see again if the fish got enough salt. If it's not salty enough like the one I want, I'm gonna add some more season to it to make sure my meat is well seasoned, like the way I tell you guys. Season your fish very well when you're cooking. That's one big secret. Okay, and this is the sauce, and this is my stuff. So okay, I finished marinating the fish, and this is the oil. The oil is nice and hot, so it's time to put the fish in the oil right now. Okay, so you see, I'm going to take one fish and put in the oil. I'm going to fry all the fish. Okay, so you need to fry the fish till the fish is nice and golden like this. So it's time to remove the fish. Okay, so that's what you're supposed to do. You make sure the fish is nice and golden, and after you're going to remove it. Okay, all right then. Okay, I just put the sauce now on the pot. What I just did, I just removed the other parts and put the new pot and put a cooking oil, a little bit of cooking oil. And now I just put the sauce away, the sauce I showed you guys before. And now I'm mixing it. That's all I did right now. Okay, and I'm gonna add some seasoning to it. So you see it's cooking now, so I'm gonna add some seasoning to it, some Maggi, and I'm gonna cover it. Okay, I'm gonna put 6 of this Maggi, the Jimbo Maggi. You can go to any African store and get this. So this, I'm gonna put 6 of it. Okay, so my husband is helping to in the kitchen, so he's gonna put 6 of it in the sauce. And I'm gonna put some this season too, the chicken season. So he's putting all 6 to it. Okay, this Maggi is very good. And I got the same kind of Maggi, the seasoning, because now this Maggi, they have the seasoning of it, the same company. Okay, so he's gonna mix it for me. After mixing it, you're gonna close it down. So you need to make sure the onions is cooked very well, and you're gonna try it and see if it's tasty. If it's not tasted like the way you want it, you can add more salt to it. Okay, because this is the big base of the food. You need to make sure this is well seasoned, because this is the sauce you're gonna be taking from it. And after you finish cooking the rigra, you're gonna be putting this sauce on top of the rigra. So you need to make sure this is well seasoned, because this sauce means a lot. Okay, now so I'm gonna close it down. I'm gonna close it down and wait till the water is there's no more water left inside. Okay, it's time to put the cabbage and eggplant. Wait a minute. Okay, so I'm adding the eggplant to the way now. The eggplant and the with the cabbage, okay? So I'm gonna cover it till they're cooked, and after I'm gonna add the fish to it too. Because you don't wanna add the fish first, or the fish will smush down. You don't want that, okay? So this is the fish. So it's time to add the fish to the stew, okay? So this is the stew. This is the regular sauce, okay? So I'm adding my fish right now. So this is how you do it. So I'm gonna add the whole thing and after cover, okay, for 10 minutes. And after I'm gonna remove the sauce, okay? I'm gonna show you guys that. Okay, so when it's like this now, it's time to remove the sauce. So I'm gonna remove this sauce and put it in a different bowl, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. So me and my husband gonna do it. He gonna remove it and put it in a different bowl for me. Sorry. Okay, so my husband is helping removing the fish, put it in a different bowl. So that's how you do it. You remove all the fish. You need to be careful though, because your fish gonna smush down, and you don't want that. You want everything to be intact. So what I'm doing right now, I'm doing that. So I'm gonna remove that, and after I'm gonna wash the rice. And after I'm gonna put the water. I'm gonna show you guys what to do anyway. Okay, this is the rice. You need to wash the rice very well. Okay, you see, I'm washing the rice right now. After washing the rice, you need to make sure the water is very clean. Washing the rice, okay?
Yeah, tell me what you call. Tell me.
So everybody know how to wash rice. So after you finish washing the rice, and you're gonna remove all this water, you're gonna let it sit for a minute, like for 5 minutes. And after I'm gonna add the water to the rest of the sauce, and okay, so this is the sauce. Already finished putting all the sauce in the bowl. So this is the sauce after you finish cooking the jollof rice. This is the sauce you're gonna use and put on top of your jollof rice now. Okay, this is the rest of the sauce. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour some water to it. I'm gonna put some water to it and add some seasoning to the water. This is the water I'm gonna use to cook the jollof rice. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the water. Okay, so this is the water. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use some more season to season this water, because this is the water I'm gonna put the rice inside. Okay, so let's start doing that. It's time. I'm gonna add some more tomato paste to it, because the water is not red like the way I want it. So you add some tomato paste and mix it, and you're gonna add some Maggi to it, and whatever season you have home, you're gonna add all those season to it. You want to make sure this water is very tasty, because this is the water you're gonna use and cook the rice. Okay, you always make sure you always gotta put a nice season to it, any kind of nice season. I'm gonna put that small, like you say, Maggi. You see this Maggi, I'm gonna use like 6 of it. And this season, I'm gonna use some black pepper too, and my Maggi season. You want to make sure this water is very tasty. And I'm gonna add 6 of these Maggi, the one I show you guys. And you're gonna try the water. If the water is like tasty, like the way you want the black pepper, I'm gonna add the black pepper too. You're gonna add all the good seasoning you have on. You want to make sure this water is very tasty, okay? Because that's one of the big secrets. When you're cooking the jollof rice, this water needs to be very tasty. So that's the reason why your rice is gonna taste very well, okay? Good. Alright, so I'm gonna add the 6 Maggi. Let me show you guys 6 Maggi. So I'm gonna add the 6 Maggi and I'm gonna cover the water till the water boil, okay? And you need to make sure the water boil first before you add the rice to it. Please do that. Okay, now the rice is boil. The water is boiled. It's time to add the water to the rice to the water. Okay. So now I'm gonna mix it, and after mixing it, and I'm gonna close it. Like the way I told you guys, make sure this water is very tasty. You want to season this water very good because this is the water you're gonna use and cook the rice. If this water is not tasty, your food will not taste right, like the way I told you. Okay, you're gonna try it, and after when you boil, you're gonna try if it's not salted enough, you're gonna add more salt to it. Okay, so I'm gonna cover it for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys that later. Okay, see, it's time to mix the rice, because if you don't mix the rice, the rice is gonna stuck in the bottom, and you don't want that. Okay, so mix it, and after close it. Like after every 10 to 5 minutes, you need to open it and mix it, and after close it back. Okay, you need to do that, or the rice gonna burn in the bottom. You don't need that. Okay, let me close it back. After 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna close it back. Okay. Okay, now it's time to remove. So what I did, I put some plastic on it. The reason why you put in the plastic on it will help you to the rice to cook very well. Okay, because you need extra heat on the rice. So that's the reason why I put the plastic. You can put the plastic for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So that's all I did. So now the rice is cooked already. I'm going to remove the plastic to it and mix it. You're going to put the plastic till you see the rice is done, cooked. That's the only reason why I'm putting the plastic. So you see my rice is cooked already. Now it's time to eat. I'm gonna make a plate, and this is the sauce. That's my sauce. So when you put some, so you see my husband is making the plate, and this is the rice, and the fish, and some sauce. This is how you do the jollof rice. See, it's time to eat jollof rice, people. So thank you for watching our cuisine, and please subscribe, and share my video. The more sharing I do, more people gonna be watching the video. And please subscribe. Please invite your friends to go and subscribe. And love you guys so much.